This 2026 Jayco J Feather Air SL15 TBSL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 17 feet 6 inches in length and features a Dune Grey interior, sleeps 4. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Front Dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco J Feather Air SL15 TBSL is 2,200 pounds. This 2026 Jayco J Feather Air SL15 TBSL. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.